After configuring the process and creating an executable process, we can run it. To do this, navigate to the Configuration section and click on Execute Process. Here you'll see a list of tasks that will be executed as a result of running the process. Some tasks have a Done button associated with them. These tasks require manual description or refinement of a part of the model. The remaining tasks are automatic and run automatically. They correspond to model transformations that convert the input model to the output model. Now let's proceed with executing this process. The first task involves holding a workshop to analyze the problem domain using the CRAC method. Assuming we've completed this workshop, we can click the Done button. The next task instructs us to create the CRAC model, which we previously discussed in our videos. I'll mark this task as done, allowing us to continue the process. Clicking Continue, we see that these two tasks are executed, and we move on to another task. In this task, we need to describe the characteristics of the domain concepts in the CIM model. Here's what we want to describe: order, TIMO customer, and order. For order item, we describe properties such as ID, name, quantity, unit price, and total price. For customer, we describe properties like ID, email, first name, last name, address, and country. For order, we describe properties such as ID, order state, total amount, and currency. Additionally, the concept of an order is related to the concept of a customer. Each order belongs to a customer, and an order may consist of one or more items. Let's proceed to describe the CIM model based on this information. From the list of models, select the CIM model and define the domain concepts. For instance, describe the customer properties, define the ID feature, along with other properties like email, first name, and last name. Save these changes. Similarly, for the order item, define an ID property, unit price, and total price properties of type long, and quantity property of type integer, and a name attribute of type string. Save these changes as well. For the order, define a status property, an ID property, a total amount property, and a currency property. Additionally, create two relationships, has customer and has order items. For has customer relation, set the relation title as customer, and the destination of the relation should be the customer concept. Set its multiplicity to 1. For has order items relation, set the relation title as order items, and the destination of the relation should be a collection of order item. Save these changes. With the desired model described, click Done to continue the process. Next, we encounter another manual task where we need to enter the commands and events attributes of the CQRS model. I'll cover this part in a separate video,